Hey, this is Brian with All South Appliance, and I'm here to show you the Advantium from GE. This is the profile version, 120 volt. It acts as an oven or a microwave or a warming drawer. The machine comes with two different pans. This is your pan for oven cooking, which is your metal tray, and then you have the glass tray for microwave. That's the beautiful part about this machine is you get to tell it, what you want it to do. So if you want it to be an oven, I can go into speed cook, and there's a food menu in here, and I just use this to select. Say I wanted to do meats, I'd actually do filet mignon in it, pick that. Hey, I want to do 1.5 inches thick, 2 of them, and it sets it up for you, and it says use non-stick metal tray. So that, as part of your oven section, you also do have convection bake and broil options that you can go do on here, and it acts as a warming drawer as well. So you just hit the warm mode function, you can pick your temperature, and it'll tell you how long it's been running on that temperature. The other thing about it is it can be a microwave. So that's when, say if I wanted to do some popcorn, I just hit cook, go to my popcorn button right there, hit go, and it's going to say use glass tray. So it's kind of leading you into which tray to use for what you're wanting to do with it. It's a very good versatile machine. It cooks on halogen lights with the oven, and it also uses microwaves to speed that up, mostly with the 120 volt. Once again, I'm Brian with All South Appliance, and we just showed you the Advantium from GE. We'd love for you to come out and see Advantium or any other products here that we carry at All South Appliance.